Hello, hello. Okie dokie. So if you are here, you have completed all the previous steps. Check out the description below. I'll link them there. So you shouldn't be here unless you've done the previous steps because this will not make sense otherwise. For example, we already set up a nice little assistant to get us through the process. So we're going to kind of vibe through this. We're going to vibe, as the kids say. So yeah, we'll do that. And then let's see, what else do we need to do? I think it's pretty much it. We'll just vibe through this. I think that's the way we're going to do it. Just vibe away, man. Okay, let's deploy. Good, man. Oh yeah, let's do this. I'm ready, man. Yeah, awesome. Let's get started. Log into your account and access your VPS. Okay, so you'll log into your VPS. Great. And verify your server architecture. That our architecture is the right one. Now, well, it would be weird if you didn't have the same exact architecture, but oops, sorry. There you go. So this is our architecture. If it's not this, then do not follow this guide and make a comment below. Okay. Great. Clone the repo. Okay, this is our first actual step here. Please keep the steps shorter. I don't like to read all that text. We're going to go to the folder, see how whether I have to do any work. It's doing it all over me. Okay, we're going to build it, and we have to build it for our architecture. This is like the critical money step right here. Boom. Now we'll pause this because this will probably take a little bit to build. Okay, that's installed. Docker login. Double check I got the email right. Okay. Double check I got the password right. Copy password. There you go. I guess I had the wrong password over there. Okay, so we're now in. We have to tag it. Oops. Oh, there's a canvas tool. I don't need the canvas tool right now. Okay, that tagged. Okay, tag successful. Next step. Try to keep the steps shorter. Make it do the, I don't want to type. Okay, now we're pushing that. And we'll pause that while it's pushing. All right. Looks like it went well. And please stop. Yep. Now we move to Coolify. Coolify. So log into Coolify, go into projects, add a project. You can also put it under another project if you want, right? But you put how about put it crawling and crawling related projects. Video. Great. Go add a new resource. Go to production, add a new resource. We're going to use Docker compose empty. And we need the Docker file. Get me the Docker File compose content, please. It looks pretty good. I can improve that, but we'll start with this and see how it goes. There we go. Pop that there. Boom. Okay, we'll save that. Okay, we'll name our service. This is called Brawl. You're so annoying. Brawl. I should do like this for AI service for AI open source crawling solution. Okay, we'll save those settings. Then we're going to change this right here. We'll just call this, I don't know, crawl for AI settings. Configuration, power, crawl for AI deploy. Then we'll grab our domain. We're going to borrow this right here and make it easier. Crawl for AI. Perfect. Those two should be set. Oh, this has to be directed to or 8,000. We'll save that now. And I think there's anything else we need to worry about. So environmental variables, see right here. Oh, that is wrong. I don't want to in parentheses like that. We do not want that in parentheses. That is not good. We do not like that. Let's get rid of those. And then validate. It still might be valid with parentheses. I don't know. I don't know enough about these compose files to just say definitively. There we go. Okay. Grab my drop a key. Using myself, I'll move this back here. There, throw up a key. Grab our call for AI key. That there. Grab our Gemini key. Pop that right there. And then grab our OpenAI key. Oof. Okay, we just have to update these. Update. I think the indication, see the that's not saved is the little outline right there. So we're going to save everything. I thought I told you not to bug me right now. Okay. So that's saved. Okay. Configure domain, import Coolify. I already did that. Yeah, so to do that, you just put a colon, and that points it to the right container within Coolify. Okay, now we got deploy. Fun. Yep, deploy. Let's see how this goes. That looks good. It looks nice and clean, right? I guess a better test will be when you go out of here and see here. Wait, did that deploy? Let's see here. Running. Look at that. And it's healthy too. That's a good sign. It's always nice when things work the right first time, right? Nice work. Nice work. So we're going to do some verification here. I'm going to go ahead over here to do a health check. Look at that. Bada bing, bada ba boom. Yeah, you could do a curl check over here. I'm going to grab that curl command right here now. Go ahead, test it here. It's the same test. So this is going to automatically. Okay, so let's test this. We set up a test. Try this out. So we'll go ahead and just Got this from our buddy Amut. I'm going to test this puppy out. It's talking to our server. I set up API key in advance, by the way. That's why this went so quick. I already set up the authorization beforehand. And look at that. Success. LM result. Bam. You can see it's like the full thing. That concludes our guide. That's it. That's all there is to it. Bada bing, bada boom. You're set. You got your own crawl system for free. Well, free asterisk, because you were paying for the server anyways for N8N and FlowWise and NoCodeDB and all the other cool stuff. So I say free. Take care, guys. Have a great day. Bye.